Yeah, at the beginning of the production, there was some question as to whether or not we'd be able to get this done on time and under budget. This was my little way of showing that it could be done.
We have a backup in case everything fails. Mark Kobayashi, thank God, has finished the film with sock puppets. And we've got that for your viewing pleasure this morning.
Elastigirl, what are you doing here?
I thought you could use some help.
I had the situation well under control.
He's got a point.
You need to be more flexible.
Bonsoir, incroyable!
And incredible!
Buddy?
Buddy?
Marriage is a lot of hard work.
We're superheroes. What could go wrong?
Ding dong!
Lucius!
Hey, everybody!
I miss being a superhero.
Yeah, those were the days.
I know! Let's go save some people. We better not do that again.
Yeah.
Money, money, money! Bob, listen to me! Ah!
I can't believe I got fired. What am I gonna do? The secret thing won't fall out of my briefcase. I can't believe I got fired. What am I gonna do?
Our top secret robot has gone out of control. We need you to destroy it. If you accept, we'll pay you the equivalent of 1 year's salary.
I started with the baby suit. It's fireproof, bulletproof, and machine washable, darling. That's a new feature.
So, Mr. Incredible, we meet again.
Buddy?
You are Elastigirl! Find him.
Kids, what are you doing here?
What's going on? They tried to kill us. Holy cow!
The first thing we're going to do is not panic.
Oh! Hey, who are those kids? Get them!
Remember what Mom told us.
What?
Take that, you hussy!
But she was trying to rescue me.
I'm supposed to rescue you.
Mom!
Dad!
Kids, you're all right.
Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl? And you two got busy. Well, I'm off to destroy a city and become a hero. Yoom. Gang! People of the city, do not fear, for I, Syndrome, will save you!
Yay!
Oh no! Yay! I have your son, and I will raise him to be a supervillain! Ha 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 ha!
Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum.